Good morning, sugar. You want to play fetch? You ready? Bring it to Dad. See if she's ready to play this morning. It's about 5:30 in the morning. Let's see what she's got in her. By the way, thanks for your guys' support. She's really, really an amazing cat. Are you talking to the people? Huh? Huh? You ready? Come on. Yeah, she's really playful this morning. Come on. Bring it to Dad. No? No, you just want some loving? You just want some loving? Let's see what she does. Bring it here. Bring it here. Come on. She's talking this morning. Oh, she just wants to play. Once again, thank you for your guys' support. All my subscribers. Let's make her famous. Have a blessed day.